Morning, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. I just want to send a small message to each and every one of you. Remember, pray for Jamaica. Jamaica is in need of all of our prayers. And guys, to all of the persons who sending me message and saying that all I want is to do GoFundMe to collect people money. This is not the time for these kind of stupidness. This is not the time for you all to be pointing fingers and blaming people and saying people want to take people money for their own. This is a time for us to look out for our fellow Jamaicans. Cut it out. There's a time and a place for everything. Not because, but sometime. Think before you talk. Have a wonderful day.